Financing. Down payment and underwriting standards for financing a second home or investment property differ from that of a primary residence. Lenders view the second or investment home as more susceptible to loan default if the owner runs into financial difficulty and cannot make the mortgage payments. The practitioner needs to be able to describe approaches to second home financing and help clients evaluate options as well as contact local lenders. Investment knowledge. Although real estate professionals must be careful not to stray into the area of offering investment advice in violation of SEC regulations, a practitioner must have an understanding of the financial and tax considerations that go into buying a second home or investment property. Because many vacation homeowners view their properties as investments, especially part-time rentals, the practitioner must be able to help buyers assess income and potential appreciation. Sales presentations need to include the merits of the property and destination and include the information that an investor needs to make an informed decision. Negotiation. Working with absentee buyers and sellers or their representatives can present negotiation challenges. Using the principles of a win-win negotiation strategy is important. Successful practitioners must be able to represent themselves and the transaction in a professional and non-adversarial manner as well as provide a neutral sounding board to facilitate decision-making and strategy. Technology tools. Practitioners have more technology tools than ever to interact with clients and customers who are also increasingly tech-savvy. Internet access, social media, video conferencing, and robust phone technology are musts to span distance and keep the practitioner in touch with clients. Practitioners must be comfortable with technology and maintain a disciplined follow-up system to demonstrate that they are proactive in providing information and anticipating clients' concerns. The practitioner's easy accessibility and follow-up can help clients recall their last conversation and reduces the anxiety created by distance. Clients and customers expect real estate professionals to be as proficient as they are in the use of social media, email, texting, and internet searches. In addition to communications, the practitioner should be able to use online and MLS resources to generate CMAs and create professional presentations. Interpersonal skills. Communication and listening. In resort and second home practice, communication must often overcome the challenge of distance. Practitioners need to learn how to interpret clients' communication without the benefit of being face-to-face. Communication approaches must be adaptable for a range of clients, from the retiree purchasing a property for a family gathering place, to a young buyer of a local vacation home, to an overseas buyer of a third, fourth, or fifth investment property. The practitioner's art is in matching the buyer's vision of the perfect getaway with the right property as well as discerning what the buyers want but do not yet know that they want. In the case of a group of investors, a wealthy or famous person, or an international buyer, contact and communication with the buyer may be through an intermediary who is not the decision-maker. Learning to work effectively with these gatekeepers and help them fulfill their roles will bring the transaction to a satisfactory conclusion. Patience. A successful practitioner must have patience. Realize that the purchase of a second home is completely discretionary, plus the timing has to be right for the buyers. In resort areas, buyers may vacation at the destination for several years before deciding to purchase. Experienced practitioners often report that the purchase transaction is frequently made off-season. Furthermore, it can take several years for a buyer to make a decision about purchasing a second home. Repeated follow-up, even more frequent than for regular residential business, is essential to the practitioner's success. Second home buyers typically take a long time to make a decision, but don't assume that they all do. The question, "What is keeping you from buying at this point?" will surface the buyer's objections and hesitations. Customer service. Practitioners should be prepared to provide a wide range of customer services and handle aspects of the transaction that residential buyers or sellers would ordinarily handle on their own. In fact, customer service often creates market distinction and wins valuable future referral business. Customer service must be very flexible because practitioners must deal with diversity of income, culture, nationality, and other aspects. Spontaneity and flexibility are essential. Mindset. Perhaps the most distinctive characteristic of the resort and second home practitioner is mindset. Successful practitioners view themselves as ambassadors for the destination. They realize that they are selling a lifestyle and destination in addition to the property. Community involvement. Experienced practitioners speak of being active in community issues and local government and developing strong ties with visitor and tourism organizations. Staying current and maintaining a continuous curiosity about the local market is a key to success.